Alrighty guys, so this channel here is getting over 800,000 views per day. Now, if I take this average here, let's just say 800,000, I'm gonna pull up my calculator, I'm gonna put 800,000, I'm gonna times that by 365 for 365 days in the year. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna figure out how much YouTube is paying this exact channel. YouTube pays per 1,000 views, so I'm gonna divide that into 1,000, and now we're gonna figure out how much YouTube is paying per 1,000 views. Now, if I go over here, you can see the average CPM, which is how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views, is $3.53. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take a super conservative approach, and I'm gonna do 50 cents, okay? So we're gonna just take the super conservative approach and go 50 cents, 146,000. We're gonna divide that into 12 to see how much they're making per month. This YouTube channel is making $12,000 per month without even making their own videos. This is how. What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you a complete step-by-step method on how you can create a super lucrative YouTube channel without ever creating any of your own videos. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice. And I'm gonna show you how you can make $12,000 per month using and leveraging the power of YouTube. Now, by the end of this video, you guys are gonna learn three main things. The first one is you're gonna learn how to re-upload YouTube videos that are not yours, but it's 100% legal, ethical, and they do not violate YouTube terms of service. Number two is I'm gonna show you how to create a super lucrative YouTube channel that pays extremely well without ever showing your face or using your voice. And number three, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make even more money with this method because YouTube has completely changed my life. Let's get into it. Now, guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to start a full-time passive income business so you can achieve complete financial and time freedom. Guys, I was able to go from an electrical engineer to a full-time online marketer in YouTube within 9 months of starting my YouTube channel and my online business. So if you want to learn more on how I was able to do that, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm helping you guys every single day with a YouTube video. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys. Let's get into the actual video. Now, before I get into the exact step-by-step method on how to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, you guys need to understand exactly what we're doing. That way you could make as much money as possible with this exact method and niche. Now, if I go to YouTube and type in white noise, there's gonna be a ton of videos on here, okay? Now, if you don't know what white noise music is, it's basically background music like rain or some sort of like the ocean. It's basically relaxing type music. Now, the reason I bring up this niche is because people will get on this white noise music every single day, okay? So that is very, very important because they're not only gonna watch this video once, they're gonna literally use it every single day. For example, my wife goes and clicks on one of these white noise videos, okay? Every single night, okay? She can't sleep sometimes because of all the traffic, okay? So why is this so important? Because you have people like my wife that are clicking on these videos every single day, right? It's not like they're watching a video once and then that's it, okay? And this is where you make the money, okay? This is the main part of how these channels are making an insane amount of money, okay? So if I click on this video here, right? Rainforest, rain and sound, most likely there'll be an ad, right? There's an ad right there, okay? So basically when these ads run on these channels, you make money, okay? As the actual YouTuber, okay? So that's basically what we're doing. Now, the cool thing is I'm going to show you how to do this on YouTube without ever showing your face, without using your own videos, literally how you can start doing this right now, starting today. All right, guys, so step number one is we have to find royalty-free videos, okay? So if you don't know royalty-free videos, it's basically videos that we can download off the internet and use and re-upload to YouTube, okay? So here's a website here called pexels.com, all right? Now I'm gonna go inside of here, I'm gonna type in something like rain, okay? Because we want something relaxing, calming. Now inside of here, there's photos, videos. I'm gonna go to videos right here, okay? Tons and tons of videos, guys. So this is what you wanna do. You wanna go and literally download as many of these videos that you want, okay? Because basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna download a bunch of these videos, we're gonna put them together, and then we're gonna put royalty-free music on the end of that, right? Royalty-free, kind of relaxing type music. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna download a few of these, right? So here's this one here, I'm gonna hit download, and it's absolutely free for most of these videos here. So I'm gonna download that one here. I'm gonna go to this one, I'm gonna download that one. So I'm gonna download a few of them, right? Just so we have a ton of videos. Now you can, obviously just download one and just have it looping around. I'm gonna download a few of these, that way I have a kind of like a mixture of videos, okay? Now that leads me to my next question that I get all the time. Can we monetize YouTube videos that are royalty-free and royalty-free music? Okay, so I want to answer that question, okay? Can we actually monetize this type of content? Can we make money? Is it ethical? Does YouTube allow us to actually make money from royalty-free music and videos? Okay, so if I go to YouTube or Google, it actually tells us right here, what type of content can I monetize, all right? So if I go down here, guys, you'll see here, I use royalty-free or Creative Commons content, okay? So as you can see here, okay, then I want you guys to read this on your own because this is 100% legit, okay? You can monetize royalty-free or Creative Commons content if the license agreement grants you the rights to use it commercially, okay? Sometimes rights owners require you to credit the creator of the content or give proof of purchase that you use this for commercial purchases, okay? Or yeah, purposes. So what that means is, right, so we can use it as long as they let us use it for commercial purposes, okay? So if we go over here and let's just say we picked one of these videos here, just to be absolutely sure, you can see it's free to use, okay, so that's good. Also, if I go to info here, you can see free to use, no attribution required, meaning that we can use this without giving them credit, okay? You can give them credit if you want. We don't need to. We're in the terms of service of YouTube, right? Which is really important because we want our channel to be here for the long term, right? We want to be making money as long as possible, right? This is going to be so lucrative, guys, once you get this channel going. Okay, so step number one, we got our royalty-free videos. Now, step number two is we want to find royalty-free music, right? We're doing the white noise relaxing type music, but we want to find a royalty-free sound that we can use for our white noise faceless YouTube video. Now, here's a website here, guys. This website is called bensound.com. Okay, this is a royalty-free music. It's a mixture. Some of them are free, some of them you have to pay for. It's up to you. If you want to pay for them, that's absolutely fine, okay? Now, I'm just gonna go with the free one here. You can see relaxing music. I just went over here and type in relax. Type in something of that nature. You could also type in, you know, something like rain or water, right? Something like white noise type music. Now I'm just gonna go and download this one here where it says relaxing, okay? Now I can go ahead and download this. And the cool thing is I can use this again inside of my YouTube video. I don't have to give credit, anything like that, okay? So I can go ahead and you can listen to the sound, see if that's something you wanna use. Okay, so now I have my royalty-free music, I have my royalty-free videos. Now what's the next step? All right, guys, so step number 3 is we have to create the actual YouTube channel. Now I do have a complete free YouTube course on how to start a YouTube channel from beginning to end. Here's a link to that video right here, guys. This is the thumbnail here. You guys go see exactly, you know, step by step how I set up everything with a YouTube channel. It's really not that hard, but if you want to check out that video, you can. I'm going to walk you through real quick how to set up a YouTube channel, just a quick overview. That way you guys can at least have this set up, okay? So if I go to Google here and type in create YouTube channel, you can look for a website that looks something like this, okay? It's gonna say youtube.com and it's gonna say create channel here, okay? Now what that's gonna do is it's gonna allow you to click on this link, right? So if we click on this link here, it's gonna bring up a link to create our channel. Now, obviously, it's just gonna bring me to my channel, but what it's gonna have you do is it's gonna have you create your YouTube channel using your Gmail account, okay? Very, very simple. Also, if you're on YouTube, you can also go to this top area here. And typically there's a option here that says create YouTube channel. Very, very simple, guys. Again, you guys can go check out that video on how to create the actual YouTube channel. I'm not gonna go too in-depth on how to do that. All right, guys, so step number 4 is we have to have keywords or a keyword plan. That way we have a ton of videos that we can post before we even start creating these types of videos. Let me show you exactly how I do that. Now, guys, if I go to YouTube and type in white noise, I can go ahead and get a ton of ideas, all right? So it's gonna say white noise black screen, white noise for sleeping, white noise for babies. Now, what I'm gonna wanna do is I'm gonna wanna write down all these titles, okay? Now, the cool thing what you can do on YouTube is you can do like white noise A and then space, and then you can see it's gonna give you more ideas here, right? White noise thunderstorm, right? White noise, and then you can do B space, okay? Or white noise B baby, white noise box fan, right? White noise beach, right? And you're gonna have a ton of ideas, right? White noise beach could be a video you can do, or white noise baby womb, okay? These are all videos that you can do. So you have literally endless amounts of videos that you can do. Now, this is what I would do. I would pull up a notepad, or more specifically an Excel sheet, and start typing in these titles, okay? So, you know, white noise baby, right? Or white noise baby sleep music. That's another one right there we can use. So I can go ahead and copy this and paste this in my notepad, right? White noise, baby sleep music, white noise, baby whatever, right? White noise baby, white noise beach was another one we found. These are all titles we can use, guys. So this is gonna give us an endless amount of videos, all right? Now what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm gonna actually take one of these keywords and I'm gonna see if this is a good keyword for my specific YouTube channel, okay? So I'm gonna take white noise baby sleep music, and I use a special tool, guys. This is a tool called TubeBuddy, okay? Now it's up here. It's a free tool. You guys can get it absolutely free. It's in my YouTube description down below. It'll give you free access to this TubeBuddy tool, okay? All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this keyword and use TubeBuddy to see if this is a good keyword to use on my specific channel, okay? So if I go scroll down, remember I already installed TubeBuddy. I'm gonna go down and find something called the Search Explorer, okay? Typically you'll have it once you install the TubeBuddy extension, all right? So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna click here for weighted, and it's gonna give me white noise baby sleep music. Now what's cool here is it's gonna give me a score, okay? So it's gonna give me a score here that's 11 out of 100, which means it's probably not gonna rank up at the top, okay? So what I could do is with this tool, I can actually see if I can get a keyword close enough to that keyword, but it will actually work on my channel. So it's gonna give me a ton of ideas, right? Baby sleep music, white noise rain. See, look at that. So now it's a 42 out of 100, which is way, way better, okay? Typically I want 50 out of 100, but if you're a brand new channel, this is probably okay, all right? Now I'm gonna do is, I like getting these scores here, going back to my notepad and just saying 42 out of 100. Now, I recommend using an Excel sheet. I'm just doing this because it's easier and it's already there. So that's what I like to do, guys, is I have like a sheet here, I have all my keywords with the scores. And you know, typically you're gonna wanna find the best keywords with the best scores, and that's gonna allow you to rank your videos at the top, okay? Why is that important? Because when people type this in, you're gonna want your video showing up at the top. More views means more money. All right, guys, so step number 5 is to actually create the YouTube video, right? We found the royalty-free videos, we found the royalty-free music, we created our YouTube channel. Now we just gotta put the pieces together, create the video and upload it, and we can start making money. Now, there's a few options you can do here depending on, you know, how much money you actually have to invest in this YouTube channel. Remember, guys, this is gonna be your business, okay? This is gonna pay you passively, right? This is gonna be YouTube ad revenue, all right? Now, I want you to think of this as a business and not a hobby, because YouTube has totally changed my life. Now, that being said, there's a few things you can do. Number one, you can create the videos yourself, and this is a great option if you know you have more time than money, you don't have that much money to spend, and you can do it yourself, right? Number two is you can hire someone for $5-10 bucks a video, and they can do all the editing for you, okay? That being said, these videos are not very hard to do. I'm not a video editor myself, guys, so let me just show you a few options that you can use if you're doing it yourself. Okay, guys, so here's a website called openshot.org, okay? Now, this is one of the best free softwares you can use if you're using a Windows computer. Now, if you're on a Mac, I would recommend iMovie. iMovie's typically really, really good, but OpenShot is probably the best one if you're using a Windows computer, okay? Now, you can see here, it's 100% free to download. It's an open source type product, and it's very easy, guys. All you do is just put your videos in there, and then you add the music to it, right? We already downloaded our videos. You can see here we have the videos. You can see I have my rain videos. I'm just gonna put these videos together. I have all the videos meshed in one, and then I'm gonna slap on my royalty-free music, okay? Now, I'm not gonna go into the actual video editing. Again, guys, I'm not a video editor. If you guys wanna learn more, look up OpenShot video editing tutorial on YouTube. You'll find a ton of videos on how to do that. You'll find some tutorial from someone way, way better than me, guys. I am not an editor. Now, second option is to go to Fiverr.com and to pay someone to actually edit the video. Now, this is if you have a little bit of money to spend and you know that your channel is gonna make you money later on, and you're willing to invest some money, right? If you have more money than time, maybe you have a full-time job, this is what I recommend, okay? You can see here, you can find people for $5, $10. So you can find a video editor for extremely cheap, okay? Fiverr is probably one of the best places to find an editor, guys. You can go over here and find someone to do the videos for you. Alrighty, guys, so the next step after we create the video is simply upload it to YouTube. Now, I'm gonna go over real quick how I would optimize the title and description, because this is really important when you're using YouTube, you want to be able to show up at the top. And I'm going to show you a secret tool that I use. Okay, now I'm going to go inside of here. I'm going to go to morningfame.com. Okay, this is a software that I use to get my videos ranked at the top. It's an amazing software. Okay, guys, so let's just say we're going to use the tool White Noise Baby Sleep Music, which is the one we found earlier. Okay, now all this is going to do is optimize the video, the title, the keyword, and the tags. Now I'm just gonna go through this process here. You can see White Baby Sleep Noise Music, and I'm just gonna go to the last step here, okay? So I'm gonna go to search here, and then continue step 4. Don't worry about this, guys. We've already kind of done the research on this using TubeBuddy. The only reason I'm using this software is to optimize it, meaning I want to make sure all the right titles, tags, description is in there, okay? Now, you do want to have some sort of description here. You know, I like to just copy the keyword in here, the title. You can see that you get a way better score, okay? And the cool thing I like about this software as well is it'll give you some really good keywords in here, and you can see the score is continuing to go up and up, all right? So the higher the score, the better, and you can only put 500 tags. So what I like to do is go and get rid of all these keywords that don't make sense here. So there's all these random keywords here that don't really make sense. If you're a new YouTuber, you know, get rid of all these tags here and go with the longer tail tags, okay? What I mean by that is these are only one word, right? So I'm gonna get rid of all these one word ones, okay? At least most of them here. And I'm gonna go back and I wanna make sure that I have mostly longer tags, okay? This is gonna allow you to get a better score, okay? So I'm gonna put white noise for sleeping, for studying, rain. So these are a little bit longer so you can see that it's gonna give you a way better score, okay? So typically, guys, the longer these tags are, the better it is, okay? So just want to kind of mention that as you start doing these videos, okay? Don't go for these smaller tags, okay? These ones are probably okay, but like these tags right here, I probably wouldn't use. I want to go more relevant tags, especially if you're just starting out. And guys, that's the complete process. All you got to do now is rinse and repeat, okay? This is the process on how you can create a lucrative YouTube channel that's going to pay you YouTube ad revenue. You're going to get a ton of views, ton of subscribers with this type of channel. Now, I will mention that it's going to take a little bit to get your channel off the ground. That's how YouTube is, guys. It took a ton of videos to get my channel off the ground, but it's totally worth it. I'm now doing over 6 figures every single month because of the power of YouTube. Now, I don't go for YouTube ad revenue, okay? With my type of channel, I monetize it using affiliate marketing, meaning I have links in my YouTube description that go to certain products that I recommend, okay? Now you can do this with a white channel noise type music as long as you can find something that makes sense, okay? Maybe an Amazon product on a white noise sound, right? A white noise sound maker, something like that, right? So if you implement affiliate marketing with this type of business model, with this type of YouTube channel, you can make even more money. And to take it even further, you can build an email list of people from your YouTube channel. And that is how you really make some big money, guys. I've been able to do a crazy amount of income with my YouTube channel, with my email list. If you want to learn exactly how I built a 100,000 email list, and I can literally print money with this email list. Guys, I have a 3-day business breakthrough challenge down below that's gonna show you exactly how to build an email list, but more importantly, how you can monetize YouTube, TikTok, whatever social platform you're using to make real money, guys. At the end of the day, I don't focus on YouTube ad revenue because I can make way more with affiliate marketing. So if you wanna learn more, guys, click the link in the description down below, and it's gonna take you through the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on how to make YouTube videos without ever showing your face. I hope this video was of value. Please like this video, comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys on the next video.